Let's talk about subtraction. You learned how to do subtraction when you were young, like you know how to do 10 minus 8 or say 120 minus 34. What's common to these two problems? You'll notice that the first number is greater than the second number and both of these numbers are positive. 10 is positive and 8 is positive, 120 is positive and 34 is positive. So we know how to do subtraction when the first number is greater than the second number and both the numbers are positive. But what about these kind of problems? 8 minus 10. Here the second number is greater than the first number. Or what about negative 8 minus 10? Now you have a negative number. Or 10 minus negative 8. Again, you have a negative number, but it comes second. In this video, we will learn how to do subtraction in any situation, including for cases like these. Here is a definition of subtraction. Subtracting a number means adding its opposite. Let me write that down. Let's take a simple example to see what it means. Let's take 3 minus 3. We all know that 3 minus 3 equals 0. But we have also learned that a number and its opposite, when you add them, it gives you 0, which means 3 plus the opposite of 3 is negative 3. If you add 3 and negative 3, it gives you 0. Both of these equal to 0. What does that mean? That means that they are equal to each other. That means 3 minus 3 is equal to 3 plus negative 3. Let's see what has happened here. The minus, this minus sign, let me change the color. This minus sign has changed to plus because it says subtracting a number. So remember, this is the number that's being subtracted. Not the first number. The second number is the one that's being subtracted. You're adding its opposite. The minus becomes a plus, and this number, the one being subtracted, you're now adding its opposite. So the opposite of 3 is negative 3. So 3 became negative 3. So you change the minus to plus and you change the 3 to negative 3. Let's try another simple example. So we have, let's say 6 minus 2. Well, we know 6 minus 2 is 4. And we can show 6 minus 2 as, okay, I have 6 green circles. Remember, we have always been using green to show positive. So I have 6 green circles that shows the 6 positive. And then I take away 2. So I take this away and I take this away. And I'm left with 4. On the other hand, we're saying that subtracting a number means adding its opposite. That means this minus will now become, okay, 6 stays the same. The minus will now become plus. And the 2 will now become negative 2. And let's see how we can represent that. We have 6. So this is positive 6, and then we are adding negative 2. This is negative 2. And we know that a number and its opposite, When you add them, it gives you 0. So this plus this gives you a 0. This plus this gives you 0. And you're left with 4 positive, and so your answer is 4. In both the cases, you're left with 4 positive. In the next video, let's dig deeper into this idea of subtracting a number means adding its opposite.